In today's video, we are going to focus on the habit of minding our own business. This is going to help you lead stronger because you're not going to be focused on the world's business, someone else's business, social's business. You're going to be focused on your business and minding your business. Believe it or not, minding someone else's business is a habit. Minding your own business is a habit. And it's a skill that you will need to perhaps really work on this week, but I know you can do it. So this will look like a moment where you feel you want to give an opinion or you are focused on someone else, what they're wearing, what they're eating, what they're doing with their time, their energy, their money. That's their business. It's not your business. Mind your own business. This is where the challenge really comes to play. Most of the time, people are minding other people's business because they don't want to look at their own stuff that's going on, their own thoughts, their own emotions, their own situations. And that's the great opportunity for you to embrace these challenges so that you realize that this is how you are going to wake up to your own best version of you and lead stronger, longer. How this looks when it's in practice. Minding your own business, the moment you feel the impetus to go and mind someone else's, your partner's, your kid's business. Now, I'm not talking little kids. You have a responsibility as a parent, right? I'm talking about sometimes when parents don't need to be minding someone else's business, whatever it is. We often have that moment where it's not our attention on ourselves, but it's attention on them, so that we can avoid what is reflecting back within ourselves that we have not confronted, or that there is something that needs to be handled that we don't want to look at. And that is actually the greatest opportunity. So in that moment, we are literally going to flip the switch and we are going to remember the three fingers pointing back. What is it that I need to be minding of my own that I'm not? And you're going to note that down in your notebook, and you're going to practice minding your own business. Doesn't mean you have to go and dig up and start taking care of something right in that moment, but it's the reminder. It's coming back and creating this habit within your own sense of self. It's my business I need to be minding. What am I eating? What am I not eating? Am I moving? Am I exercising? What am I doing with my time? What am I doing with my energy? What am I doing with my finances? What am I doing in my family? What am I doing? Mind your own business. That's the habit that we're going to practice this week. I am so excited to work with you on this. Make sure you post in the group. Reach out if you need any help. Celebrate your wins. Express the challenges so we can work through them together, and make it an amazing week with this practice. One last little quote I want to leave you with, and that's from Anthony Hopkins. I believe he said this. It's the first time I remember hearing it from him. But he said, as an actor, it doesn't matter what other people are thinking of you. That is not your business. Your business is not what other people are thinking of you. And I think that this is a great way to finish this off, so that as we go through our week and practice this new habit, minding our own business, that we realize that it's none of anybody else's business. It is your business, what's going on with you. And it's time to take back the controls, get back into the pilot seat, set your intention, let go of things that are not working, right? Lighten up, observe. Here's the practice. This is the skill. This is a mindset skill. And then use the right tool at the right time. All right, I'll see you next week.